Osaka pulses with an energy unlike any other city in Japan. It's a place where history meets hypermodernity, all wrapped up in a vibrant culture renowned for its food, humor, and welcoming spirit. Prepare to dive into a metropolis that truly knows how to live. Often called Japan's kitchen, Osaka's culinary scene is legendary. The local philosophy of kideor, or eat till you drop, is evident on every street corner. From savory takoyaki and okonomiyaki to crispy kushikatsu, the city offers an endless feast for your taste buds, each dish a testament to its gastronomic prowess. The iconic Dotonbori district perfectly encapsulates Osaka's lively soul. Beneath a dazzling canopy of neon signs and giant animated billboards, you'll find a bustling canal-side promenade. It's a sensory overload of street food stalls, lively restaurants, and the famous Glico Man sign, drawing crowds day and night. Standing majestically amidst a modern cityscape is Osaka Castle, a powerful symbol of the city's rich past. Its impressive stone walls and moats protect a beautiful main tower, which houses a museum detailing its history. The surrounding park offers a serene escape, especially beautiful during cherry blossom season. Step into the retrofuturistic world of Shinsekai, a district frozen in time. Dominated by the Tsutenkaku Tower, it evokes a nostalgic charm with its old-school arcades, quirky shops, and traditional eateries. This is the perfect spot to savor authentic kushikatsu, skewered and deep-fried delights. For breathtaking panoramic views, the Umeda Sky Building is a must-visit. Its unique architecture, featuring two towers connected by a floating garden observatory at the top, provides an unparalleled vista of the sprawling city below, especially stunning at sunset. Beyond its historical and culinary attractions, Osaka also boasts world-class entertainment. Universal Studios Japan draws millions with its thrilling rides and immersive themed lands, including the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Super Nintendo World, offering fun for all ages. What truly sets Osaka apart are its people. Osakans are known for their friendly, outgoing, and often humorous nature. They speak with a distinct Kansai dialect and are always ready for a good laugh, making interactions with locals a memorable part of any visit. The city is also a shopper's paradise, with expansive districts like Shinsaibashi and Namba offering everything from high-end fashion to quirky souvenirs. The vibrant nightlife, with countless bars and izakayas, ensures the fun continues long after the sun sets. Osaka is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a city that embraces its unique identity with pride, offering a dynamic blend of tradition, modernity, and an infectious zest for life that will leave you wanting to return again and again.